Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick video, you are going to see how to get donate button in Please Donate box in Roblox. So to do that, follow the steps I'm going to show you. So creating your first button, first things first, you need to open the stand in Please Donate. Here you will find an option to customize your stand. This is where the magic happens. Click on the customize option to start adding your buttons. When you are in the customization menu, look for the buttons option and clicking on this will allow you to create a new button. You will be prompted to provide name for your button and what action it performs. This can be for anything from collecting donations to showcasing your most prized visual virtual items. And you can also personalize your buttons. After creating a button, the fun part begins personalization. You can choose different colors and icons to make a button stand out. Remember, eye-catching buttons are most likely to get clicks, meaning more donations for your stand. Don't forget to test your buttons after setting them up. This ensures they do exactly what you want them to do. Making adjustments is easy, so play around with it until you are satisfied. So yeah, this is how you can just get a donate button in Please Donate Roblox. Hope this video helped you out and we will see you in the next video.